Hello and welcome to Camp Mymy. Today we're going to address the headlights on my 2008 Honda Ridgeline. They're very yellow, and I bought the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit, and we're going to see how this works. Along with this kit, you're going to need a household drill, a spray bottle with water, and paper towel and a microfiber cloth. Here's a close-up of the headlights. And I'm going to get started on this by cleaning them. Okay, we're starting with the P500. Here's another version of it. This is the first one, so we'll see how this goes. Now I think what I'm going to do is take this off and get the parts that I couldn't reach, like up in the corners. Okay, now I'm going to just wipe this off, and you're supposed to look to see if there's any yellow, which I'm not seeing any yellow right now. So then we move on. I'm going to add a little bit more tape in a spot here that kind of came off. So now I'm using the P800 disc. We're going to start with that. Okay, I'm going to have this drill with a handle on it. It makes it a lot easier, but it's really not that easy to control. Alright, so I think I'm going to go a little bit more. It says you're supposed to get rid of the scratches from the last one. I'm just going to keep going. It's pretty scratch free. Hopefully that's how it's supposed to look. What I'm going to do again is take this off and just go over the corners a little bit more. So this headlight actually had a big scratch in it from, the guy must have hit something, because there's a scratch literally along the whole side of the ridgeline. But I think it did sand down. It's not going to disappear, but definitely the scratch that was there is sanded down now. This is the final disc, and this is for wet sanding, I guess. So it says to spray first. I will do. Wow. kind of running out of battery here, but let me wipe this off to see how it looks. Alright, I gotta go change my battery. Alright. Okay, they say it's still gonna look hazy at this point. We can go ahead and take this off. Alright, for this last step, you need to wear gloves. Screwed this up by unwrapping it, but that's okay. Just says to go slow and kind of overlap. Keep going. It says to wait about 5 to 15 minutes before doing the next one. So we're gonna just give it a little time. Alright, this time I'm gonna do the second one correctly. So waited about 10 minutes. And it says do not unfold the wipe. So I'm not unfolding the wipe. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's still drying, but it certainly looks 1,000 times better than it did. It's not perfect. There's still some marks in there. Maybe they're on the inside of the lens. I'm not really sure. But wow, I'll put some before and after photos here at the end. And I'll put a link to this product in the description. It's the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. But I'm going to go to the other one here too. As you can see, it really just looks 1,000 times better. Maybe it's hard to see. This one had a big scratch in it right here, but that certainly got buffed down a little bit with the sanding. So I wish it was easier to see this. I hope that was helpful. And again, it's the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. Very easy, a quick hour-long project, and your headlights will look almost like new. Really, it's a huge improvement. Highly recommended.